If your iPhone is unable to send messages to Android devices, don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. This issue can often be due to settings, connectivity problems, or account issues. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Check iMessage settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App. Now scroll down and tap Messages. Ensure that iMessage is turned off. Messages sent to Android devices need to be sent as SMS or MMS. Solution 2. Enable SMS messaging. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App. Now scroll down and tap Messages. Ensure that Send as SMS is turned on. If message isn't available, your messages will be sent as SMS. Solution 3. Check mobile balance. To send SMS to Android, you need to have SIM balance. If your SIM balance is over, try to recharge your SIM and try again. Solution 4. Restart the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click at the home button to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the Messages app to close it. Reopen the Messages app and try sending the message again. Or you can restart your iPhone and see what happens. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings to their defaults. Solution 6. Check message blocking. Ensure that the phone number you're trying to message isn't blocked. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, scroll down, find out Phone app, scroll down, tap Blocked Contacts, and check the list. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone not sending messages to Android devices. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.